Habakkuk 2:2. When you pray, when you're interceding for others, when you're repenting, when you're praying for yourself, note what is God's response and what is his request to you. Because it's not just a one-way situation when you're dialoguing with God. No, sometimes we try to make it that, but when you pray to him and you ask him for things, now there is a response he's going to give you. There's an answer that he's going to give you. There may be a request that he gives you. What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do with this information I'm giving you? What are you supposed to do with the wisdom that I'm giving you? What are you supposed to do with the gift I'm giving you? What are you supposed to do with the talent I'm giving you? What are you going to do with the answer that I'm giving you? What are you going to do with the directions, instructions that I'm giving you? And let's note his response and request. And then give up your tithes and your offerings. Malachi 3:10. Now, I'm going to tell you, some of these I may not do always. I'm telling you, this is the message they gave me in March of 2018. Bind the devil. That's Matthew 18:18-20. And sometimes the devil is the devil that's in you and the devil in the people that's around. The Bible says that good character, bad company corrupts good character. Mind who you around, because you will start finding yourself picking up the habits of those people